Hello again, Nuggets. With this video, I'm going to show you an alternate online storage space where you can store your files in the cloud. This is a good alternative if you're not a Google person or let's say if you're not allowed to have access to your own email account all the time, this might be for you. It's great for storing files, but Dropbox lacks some of the functionality or the tools that Google Docs has. For example, you cannot create files in the cloud. You can only upload them. You cannot go into Calendar. Some of the other features that Google Apps offers are not available, but it is still a great tool. You get up to 2 GB of storage for free. And if you run around and tell all your friends, hey, Dropbox is amazing, and they sign up and tell Dropbox that you told them to, you can actually earn additional storage. That's one of the ways that they try to promote their free product. So if you're new, you're going to go through the sign up process, and that's probably most of you, but I am not. So I'm going to sign in. If you need to sign up and go through that process, take a moment to pause this. Once you've signed into Dropbox, this is typically what you will see. Now, if you're new, you won't see files and folders the way that I do. One of the reasons why I still have a Dropbox account, although this may not help you very much for schoolwork, for personal purposes, one of the cool things that you can do if you download Dropbox to your phone is you can set it up in your settings up here. If you click the down arrow and go to settings, you can set it up so that any photos that you take on your phone are automatically backed up and saved to your Dropbox. That way, if you lose your phone or something awful happens, you still have your pictures. All right, for school purposes, to upload your files, all right, you'll click this handy dandy little upload button right here. You see that icon with a paper and a plus. So you click that, click choose files, and then you go and you pick whatever file it is that you want to upload. Okay. If you want to add another file, you can click here, or you can just click done or click the close arrow. Okay. Once you've uploaded it, you should see it in your uploads. All right. The way to make the most of this platform is to make sure that you always stay organized. Okay, so you can do that by creating folders, right? You can share folders with friends, actually whole folders instead of just whole documents, which is a neat feature. And everything that you need to do with a file is basically right here. Okay, if you want to give a link to a file, share link. If you want to download the computer, or download to your current computer, you click download. If you want to get rid of a file, it's old news, delete it, rename it, move it. This is useful for moving it to certain folders. Again, this is how you stay organized. So you can create your folder by clicking this button and then move your file to that folder by either clicking and dragging or by clicking the move button. Very easy to follow. You can also copy files and look at different versions of your files. Okay. And you also have all of those navigation over here on the left. I want to point out if you're new to Dropbox, the Get Started is a great way to walk you through. It will be much more thorough than my simple video. But this video is just enough to get you started. Also, anytime that you want to go back to your homepage, just click Files. And that's basically it. That's how you use Dropbox. Don't forget, even if you have Google Drive, it's always a good idea to back up your files in multiple places. So for example, you can see this Dropbox account. I use this primarily for uh, my grad school files. I don't want to be caught out ever losing a file for class, just like you. So I save all of my work on my computer, I save it to an external hard drive, and then I save it to Dropbox. Okay. Anytime you save a file, always save it to more than one place. So if you're working at school, you could maybe upload it to Fusion and upload it to Dropbox, or upload it to Dropbox and upload it to Fusion. It's always good to have a backup because technology is wonderful, but when it doesn't work, it's soul crushing, as many of you unfortunately will find out the hard way. So be safe, not sorry, and I'm glad that you watched the video. Hope this is helpful. See you in class. Bye.